Hello, my name is Jason. I'm one of the owners of a 3D rendering company called Render 3D Quick. And in this video, I'm going to be explaining what a 360 spin is. It's what we call 360 spins. And we've done hundreds of 360 spins for clients. Some clients have a little bit of a hard time understanding what the difference is between just a normal 3D rendering and a 360 spin. Basically, a 3D rendering is just a picture of a property. It's just a JPEG image file. It doesn't move. It's just like a picture on your phone. You look at it, but you can't really manipulate it. A 360 spin is a file that you can spin around. So you can take your home or your property, whatever it is, and spin it around and look at it from all different view angles. It's a 3D model in a virtual space. And it's hosted on a website called Sketchfab, sketchfab.com. You can check it out. But also below this video, I'll put a link to our Sketchfab profile where we have hundreds of 360 spin examples that we've done for hundreds of clients. So you can see exactly what they are. But Sketchfab hosts it, and then we do it for you, and it's on our profile. And then you just embed that. We'll send you, when we're finished, we'll send you the link of the 360 spin, and you can click on it and view it whenever you like. And if you want, you can embed it into your website if you're a builder or a developer, or you can embed it into an email. There's an embed code below the 360 spin. You can embed it into whatever you like. So that's kind of how it works. And how do we make a 360 spin? We basically take your plans, your drawings, blueprints, sketches of the property, whatever it is, and we turn it into a 3D model. And then we apply textures and materials to that 3D model so that we know that this is black shingles, this is white stucco, this is red brick, whatever it is. And how do we know that? A lot of clients say, how do you know what colors my house should be? And the answer is we don't know. You have to send us reference pictures. So a lot of clients will just send us a picture of a home they like the look of, and they'll say, make my home look like this one. And like I said, if we see white stucco and black trim in that picture, we're going to put white stucco and black trim on your 360 spin. So everything matches, and it's kind of how you want it to look. The other thing we do, so there's exterior 360 spins, and then there's also interior or 3D floor plan 360 spins, we call them. And it's the same as a normal 3D floor plan. In another video I explain what a 3D floor plan is. But it's a 3D floor plan, but you can spin it around and zoom in on different areas of the floor plan. It's not quite a virtual tour, so some clients say, oh, I'll be able to walk around the floor plan with this. And no, it's kind of tedious and it doesn't really work that way. But what you can do is spin the floor plan around and zoom into different areas of the floor plan to kind of see a closer angle of it. But same thing, in the link below this video, if you click on it, you'll see some 3D floor plan 360 spins and exterior 360 spins. So you can see which ones are which and how they work. The other thing with 360 spins is I'll say that they're less photorealistic. Well, they're not photorealistic. A 3D rendering is photorealistic. It's very real. It's very high quality and looks like it's already built. A 360 spin is more cartoony looking, and not to like scare you away, but don't expect it to be a photorealistic thing. That's why I say click on the link so you see exactly what it is. They look nice and they're pretty cool, but they're not as photorealistic as a 3D rendering. So that should help you decide what you need. Most people want both. They want the exterior 3D rendering, the photorealistic, and then they also want the 360 spin to be able to see the property from 360 degrees. But that's kind of the difference. So if you have any questions about 360 spins, you can call us anytime. It's 1-877-350-3490, or you can email us info@render3dquick.com, and we'll answer all your questions about 360 spins. But hopefully that helps you understand better and helps you decide which product you need, whether you need a 360 spin or a 3D rendering or something else. Okay? Thanks.